Hi guys, welcome back to Yoga with Ashton. Today we're doing a quick 10-minute yin flow for anxiety. This flow is great for helping you check back in with your breathing, create some stillness, and reconnect with your body during times of stress and anxiety. Start on your mat in a wide-legged child's pose. Bring your knees to the edges of your mat, sink back into your hips, and walk your hands out in front of you. You can rest your forehead on the mat or on a block. Close the eyes and check in with your breath. Take 3 open-mouthed inhales and exhales. If you find yourself getting distracted during this practice or your mind running away from you, remember to come back to your breath. Inhale and press into your forearms, lifting your torso but keeping your shins on the mat. Move into puppy pose, remembering to keep your hips stacked above your knees and your core slightly engaged so that you're not collapsing into the pose. You can place your forehead on the mat or on a block, or if you'd like a little more sensation, you can rest your chin on the mat. Close your eyes and do a few rounds of box breathing with me. Inhale, 2, 3, 4. Hold the breath, 2, 3, 4. Exhale, 2, 3, 4. Hold, 2, 3, 4. Inhale, 2, 3, 4. Hold, 2, 3, 4. Exhale, 2, 3, 4. Hold, 2, 3, 4. Inhale, 2, 3, 4. Hold, 2, 3, 4. Exhale, 2, 3, 4. Hold, 2, 3, 4. You can continue breathing like this or go back to your natural breath. Inhale and press into your forearms and move into tabletop pose. Step back into plank and move your left knee to your left wrist for pigeon pose. Your left foot will land somewhere between your right wrist and hip. Walk the right foot back a bit and square your hips. You can stay where you are or walk yourself down onto your forearms or all the way down so that your forehead touches the mat. close your eyes and check in with your breathing. Is it soft and easy? Is it ragged or shallow? Is there anything you can change about the breath right now to make it feel easy and calm? Inhale and walk yourself back up, tucking the right toes and bringing the left foot back for a stretch. Lower the left foot and bring the right foot forward for pigeon pose. Walk the left foot back and square your hips. You can stay where you are or lower down to your forearms or all the way down onto the mat. Close your eyes and we'll do another few rounds of box breathing. Inhale, 2, 3, 4. Hold, 2, 3, 4. Exhale, 2, 3, 4. Hold, 2, 3, 4. Inhale, 2, 3, 4. Hold, 2, 3, 4. Exhale, 2, 3, 4. Hold, 2, 3, 4. Inhale, 2, 3, 4. Hold, 2, 3, 4. Exhale, 2, 3, 4. Hold, 2, 3, 4. You can continue breathing like this or go back to your natural breath. Inhale and walk yourself back up. Sit onto your right hip and swing your legs out to the long edge of your mat for caterpillar pose. Fold forward and rest your forehead on a block or a pillow, closing your eyes if you'd like. When you inhale, visualize your breath as a golden light, traveling in through the mouth, down into the lungs, and all throughout the body, healing and oxygenating everything that it touches. When you exhale, visualize that golden light traveling out the way it came, up through the body, the lungs, and your mouth, bathing the outside of your body with its light and energy. Inhale and sit up, bringing the soles of the feet together for butterfly pose. Exhale and fold forward over the feet, resting your head on some blocks if you'd like. For this posture, you can breathe in whatever way serves you right now. Use this last pose to check in with your emotional body and your physical body. See if there's any last bit of stress, tension, or anxiety that you can let go of. You could do another round of breath work, utilize a mantra like, I am relaxed and I am ready to tackle my day. Or stay exactly how you are, sitting in butterfly. The choice is yours. Thanks for joining me on the mat today and for supporting my channel. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel for new videos each week. I hope this flow has helped relieve any tension or anxiety you are experiencing and that you have a lovely day. Namaste.